Hi, my name is Emma. If you clicked on this video wanting to know more information about vital flow, I have a really important alert to do. Pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you, so you don't get scammed in any way. Because of the great success of this product, many scammers end up counterfeiting and selling the fake product on unofficial websites. So be careful with the website you're going to buy it, because the original product is only sold on the official website. So be careful and don't buy anywhere. And to help you, I'll leave here below in the description and also fixed in the first comment of this video the link where I bought, the official link of this product, and you can click and buy without fear, okay? I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that this product actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just like it did for many other people. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching this far. A big hug and see you later. Bye!